here's what I'm thinking for her little armature. I actually just used one from my Spring Fairy kit and just shortened it a little bit and squished it up a little bit. Now I'm going to start covering it with clay. This is the kind of clay I'm using. It is ProSculpt in the ethnic color. This was created by Jack Johnston. You can find this at artdolls.com. Here's how she's looking as I'm starting to fill her out just a little bit. She looks like some little critter. It's pretty funny so far. Here she is, just kind of slowly coming together. You can see the form taking shape pretty quickly. I've only been at this a few minutes. It really helped to get that armature in the right position already. Here she is, coming along slowly. You can see I've put more time into this side than I have to the other side. Just want you to see how rough they look at first. Just persevere and you'll get there. Here's how she's coming along. Again, just starting with a very rough shape. But you can see she's getting there. Alright, there she is. She's getting pretty cute with the amount of clay starting to look more correct, more normal. This leg still has a ways to go. But just little by little, I just focus on each part of the body, a little bit at a time, and then we've got a cute little baby there. Here's how she's looking. That's how the underside is looking so far. She's got a ways to go, but this is kind of just a fully roughed in state. So you can get an idea of how that looks.